What's up, guys? Steve here for Card Break NL. We're back again for a jersey break. It is Chase DeGrace Jersey Edition, and we only got 6 boxes left. We're doing 2 right now. Best of luck. You know who's left. We're after going over it enough. We are live. Good luck. Less than 5 minutes till we're actually live. 10:25 on the clock. David down to Besser and Anaheim to Winnipeg. You might see some teams missing. That is because their teams doubled up. Here we go. We'll start with teams. 27 spots. There should be 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp on 3 is 10:26. 10:26. Last and final. Fourth and final timestamp is at 10:26, and 10:26 it is. Florida at the top. Washington, halfway mark. Then we got Arizona Islanders triple up down to Carolina LA triple up. There's teams. Let's match some names. We'll figure out who everybody got. 10:26. David Besser. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 10:26. 10 just turned 10:27. Last and final. Last and final timestamp says 10:27 and 10:27 it is. Let's copy them over. Stacy, top spot. Daly at the halfway point. Then we got Besser down to Danny. All right, folks. There's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in less than 5 minutes. Best of luck with the jersey break.